and all. In today's class, we'll learn about emissions from automobile. What is a pollution? Pollution is an undesirable change in physical, chemical, and biological characteristics of air, land, and water. It means undesirable changes, means the changes which we don't require in the air, water, and land. And in order to control this pollution, Government of India has passed an act in 1986 which is called as Environmental Protection Act. So these are the few abbreviations we have to remember regarding the pollution control, where BS is the Bharat standards which we use in India, EU is the European Union standards which we use in foreign countries, and PUC is pollution under control, where this PUC team will check the uh, pollutions. It means the performance of the engine, how much what airs you are releasing, like carbon monoxide, nitrous oxide, content of lead. So they'll check all the things and then they issue a pollution under control certificate. Next one is, as I told you, the standards which we follow in India is Bharat standards. From 2020 we are getting implemented with Bharat standard 6. We're getting implemented with Bharat Standard 6, and this is the comparison chart between BS4 and BS6. Here there is a decrease in the percentage of nitrous oxide in Bharat Standard 6. It means they have to reduce the nitrous oxide percentage in the fuels like petrol and diesel. Next one is a catalytic converter. Catalytic converter is an exhaust emission control device that reduces toxic gases and pollutants in exhaust gas from an internal combustion engine into less toxic pollutants by catalyzing a redox reaction, an oxidation and a reduction reaction. It means it is a device which we keep at the exhaust pipe. Now when the emission gases are coming out, this catalytic converter will convert those things into an environmental friendly gases, so that it don't pollute the environment. These catalytic converters are made with platinum, palladium, ruthenium. uh, Means these things will act as catalyst inside the catalytic converter. So these are the years we have to remember. Air pollution in India came so serious that public interest allegation PIL is filed in 1985, and Government of India has passed Environmental Protection Act in 1986, and norms on petrol vehicles was came into force in 1991, and emission norms on diesel vehicles was came into force from 1992, and in 1995 catalytic converters were made compulsory for petrol vehicles in Delhi, Calcutta, Mumbai, Chennai, and unleaded petrol was also supplied during the same time, and later the same was implemented for all the major cities in the country. So these are the different types of fuels which we use in automobile. First one is gasoline. Gasoline is a good fuel and available fuel, but the thing is, as it emits so much of carbon dioxide, nowadays we are not using this gasoline as a fuel. Diesel is also a good fuel, but it emits a lot of nitrous oxide, and which we have reduced in Bharat Standard 6. Next one is liquefied petroleum. Petroleum is a good fuel and which we are presently using. CNG is a compressed nitrogen gas. It is a pollution free gas and which we are using. Ethanol will be used in foreign countries mostly. Here in India, it may take few more time for implementing. And next is biofuel. Biofuel is an environmental friendly fuel, but the thing is, as palm oil production is reducing day by day, the production of biofuel is also getting decreased. Next one, these are the measures which we can take for controlling the pollution. First one is keep car on a day off in a week. It means you have to keep one day off at least, means for your vehicle. And next one is carpooling. Carpooling is sharing of your vehicle along with your colleagues when you are going to office. Next one is if you are going for short distances, try to use bicycle. Next is keeping your vehicle in a condition. It means engine should be in condition. You have to do a proper maintenance for your vehicle. Next one is you use public transport like metro trains so that the pollution will come into control. So these are the different things that we can do for controlling the pollutions. Thank you.